Inigo Slateworks is located on the main A487, 6 miles south of Caernarfon on the way to Porthmadog. Access is easy from a newly constructed roundabout, and the works are very well signposted in advance. Inigo Slateworks has been prefabricating various slate products since 1861. The company provides architectural, memorial, craft and garden products from 500 million year old natural Welsh slates. The tour of the works was introduced in the early 1980s by popular demand. It's a self-guided tour and is both educational and fun. There is an introductory video presentation, after which you can wander through the workshops at your own pace and view the machines and craftsmen in action, accompanied by your own personal taped commentary. There are also geological, historical, calligraphy and letter-cutting exhibitions. Try your hand at calligraphy and engrave on a piece of slate that you get to keep. The new showroom has a wide variety of the company's slate craft products as well as other craft products of Celtic and Welsh theme. Workshops, showroom and cafe open daily, including weekends from 9 AM till 5 PM, except Christmas Day, Boxing Day and New Year's Day. The cafe is also open every day, from 10 AM to 5 PM. The last self-guided tour is 4 PM.